As the world, reeling from the impact of climate change, embarks on an urgent quest for environment-friendly mobility solutions, e-cycle has emerged rapidly as a game-changer in transportation choices. And in response to this need, a bustling global hub for e-cycles is taking shape. Right now, right here in India. This is Hero E-Cycle Valley. A vision to build a global state-of-the-art manufacturing hub for push bikes and e-bikes. A culmination of a journey that began decades ago in 1956 when Hero Cycles established its first plant in Ludhiana, Punjab, manufacturing key components for bicycles and assembling complete bicycles. Hero Cycles entered the e-bikes business in 2018 with a range of semi-premium and performance e-cycles. Hero Electro was established as an e-bike specialist and has emerged as India's largest and fastest growing e-bike company. To facilitate the manufacturing of key e-bike components, Hero Motors produces precision automotive components and specializes in gear transmission and gearbox assemblies, has entered into a strategic joint venture with Yamaha for making electric motors and with Enviolo for continuous variable drives technology. The company's manufacturing capabilities are reinforced by a technologically advanced product manufacturing facility located at Bitterfeld in Germany, and Spur, a German company manufacturing premium bicycle components. The company's range of e-bikes is marketed widely across Europe. These significant manufacturing capabilities are backed by an engineering center at Berlin, Germany, and the Hero Global Design Center at Manchester. The Manchester facility is supported by two Hero Innovation Centers located in India. All these facilities have contributed enormously to the creation of Hero E-Cycle Valley, a part of 380-acre high-tech manufacturing hub located in the Dhanansu industrial sector in Ludhiana. The Hero facility within the valley is spread across 100 acres, with the e-cycles plant built on 50 acres and a dedicated supplier park on the remaining 50 acres. A workforce of skilled, well-trained engineers and technicians operate in a work environment powered by world-class German technology to create bicycles that represent the future of safe, affordable, eco-friendly transportation. As we create transportation solutions for a greener future, you are invited to be a part of this technological revolution. If you are manufacturing batteries, electronics and other e-bike components, come set up your facility in the Hero E-Cycle Valley. We will assist you with all the requisite infrastructure, amenities and support, along with an opportunity to tap fast-growing global markets. Hero E-Cycle Valley, transforming mobility forever.